Alright, we're up here in the high country in Colorado, and what we've got today is high winds all day long. We're having gusts up to 50 miles an hour. And we wanted to demonstrate the Elk Mountain Slough system in windy conditions. There's been a lot of concern from speed goat hunters especially that hunt Wyoming. Can you hunt with this thing in the wind, in the high wind? And we say yes, you can. Don't let go of it, because if the wind's behind it, it will grab it. But stalking into the wind is much, much easier. If you got the wind again, and most of the time you'll be hunting into the wind. So we're going to demonstrate this today. The nice thing about it is that, unlike other 2D decoys, it will hold its shape in the wind, so that you can actually move in on animals with it. So once you have it set up as a stalking blind, insert it down into the ground. And this is being hit with pretty good gusts right now, and it's holding its own. And if the wind was really, really bad, what we would suggest is to carry lawn stakes like these right here, garden stakes. You can buy them at hardware stores. There are a couple of fabric loops down in the front of the canopy, front edges. Secure it there, and we also have holes down in the umbrella piece on the trekking pole end. So yeah, that's pretty much going nowhere now. So yeah, you can set it up so it's stable, you know, if you're being pelted by the wind. Moving into the wind, like I said, is much easier than moving with the wind behind you, but it can be done. Just make sure you have a good grip on it if the wind is behind you. Stalk in. Whenever you get to where you want to set up to shoot, pop it in the ground. You're ready to roll. So if you got a buddy and there's two of you and you're hunting in a really bad windy condition like this, it's relatively simple. And you can collapse the system if you want to, collapse it all the way down. Move into a place where you can stalk in, and then flash that goat, and your shooter will be right behind you, and it'll conceal both of you easily. Let me show you from the front. Speed goats can't count legs, so yeah, that's plenty of shielding for two guys to move in on goats. And so just have your shooter at the ready behind you and move in. You don't have to worry about setting it up as a stalking blind or staking it, and you can pivot it according to when the goat, if he tries to come in downwind, you can just come around and spin on him, and it'll drive him nuts. Bad winds up here today. But yeah, the two-man method is definitely an easier way to deal with the wind.